Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your Facebook Marketplace not working or not showing up on your app, right? The solution is pretty easy, but before we do that, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I make awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to get notified and take action, right? So now you've done that, I want like us to go straight into today's video. So let's open my Facebook. So you see that it's not, no, Facebook Marketplace is not here, right? You see it's not in my shortcut. So this is how you do it. So what you want to do, right, just go to your settings, click on the settings, right? So here type shortcut bar. So this is the thing, it's a shortcut bar. So this is how to just add it. Just here, just tangle it. You see that Facebook Marketplace has come. Look at, you can tangle between this and that. So here, so basically that's how to add your Facebook Marketplace, or how to fix your Facebook Marketplace not showing on your phone. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.